Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you something that I asked if you wanted it. Some people said you did, so here it goes. But first we gotta play our intro. Okay, so in my video where I tested the Makeup Revolution foundation, which by the way I'm still wearing every day along with a concealer, I asked if y'all wanted to see the look that I had on. It looked a little something like this, and every answer I got said yes, which wasn't a lot, but hey, seemed like a good idea. So we used the Sophx Extra Spice palette today to recreate the look I had on in that last video. And boy, am I excited. This was so fun. I love this look. It is so pretty. It's got some serious fall holiday vibes. I like it. So let's go ahead and jump into your tutorial. I promise that this one's pretty quick, guys. So here we go. Okay, so I promised this tutorial, so here we go. We're going in with the Sophx Extra Spice palette, and the first color I dipped into was Cookie Dough right here. I take it on a big fluffy brush and put it in the crease just to set everything up and get it ready to go. This is more of a halo eye, so I do bring it down on the inner and outer portions of my lid, just like so. And then we go into Running Late, and this is where we start building up that pigment that y'all saw in the last look. And you just start and build it in, stamping it first, being sure we get that orange and making sure it is present, and then blending it just like so, making sure these colors are meshing together. Then we take Sweet and Sour right here, and we do the same thing, just stamping in the inner and outer, and then picking up some more pigment and dragging it across, blending it in, doing the thing, making sure that all these colors are layering and looking nice, which they are. And then last we pick up 21, and this is where we get the real bang of how we want this look to be. And you pick it up, stamp it, and this will get you that more red tone that I had in my previous look. And you just have to really stamp it in the inner and outer, like so. And then take some pigment and drag it across. Just easy blending, holding the end of the brush so that we don't go too crazy, and making sure that we have the appropriate amount of pigment we want. And you can build it up as heavy or as light as you want. If you want a more natural look, you can build it up to, say, this level right here, and take like a gold to pop in the middle, but that's not what I want. So I'm going to keep building this, making sure that this red is super present. And what we've got here is more around the level that I go for. And then I take Infinity. It's a straight silver, grab it on my finger and just pop it in the center of the lid These colors work well together, so honestly when you do a halo eye like this, they kind of blend themselves in, so you don't have to worry about that too much. And I'm going to pop that right in the center. Take a little bit of this first color here on my pinky and just drop that into the inner corner to give me a little shine. And then our last step in this look, as with a lot of looks, is that I'm going to take Sweet and Sour and then 21, and I am going to put them on the lower lash line, doing Sweet and Sour first, and then 21 right after. And that's going to tie everything together. And that was quick, easy, and that was our look. So let me go ahead and finish this other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is your final look. It has got some seriously good vibes for this time of the year. Honestly, I think it works anytime, but I just love red tones in the fall. They are my favorite. So that was this look. We are rocking all kinds of Makeup Revolution, from the foundation and concealer to the lippy, which you will see a video on very soon. We're doing an all-day wear test of this, so be sure to come back if you want to see how these lip contour matte lip kits work out. But yeah, so be sure, if you are already, enter my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. It is down in the comments, not in the comments, in the description. And it is super easy to enter. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I had a whole lot of fun doing it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye you guys.